I look at Andy, I see all the reasons I love him. I love Andy for his thoughtfulness and his ability to keep me grounded. Being my best friend and my biggest supporter. The best dog parent to Nellie. Selfless. He's taught me to be resilient, ride out the big waves, and learn to swim stronger. When I look at him, I see adventure, I see love to last a lifetime, and I see my greatest friend.
Oh, so cute.
Taylor and I are the perfect companions for each other. We push each other in our own ways, whether it's encouraging me to branch out and try new foods, or me encouraging her to get up and go out on a Sunday. We're constantly making each other better, which is exactly what you want for the love of your life. From Andy.
I, Andy, take thee, Taylor, to be my wife and my partner, through all that life brings our way.
I, Taylor, take thee, Andy, to be my husband and my partner, through all that life brings our way.
And do you take Taylor to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Taylor, do you take Andy to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Just like a picture on the wall, and now I know how to steer. I'm not afraid if I should fall, yeah.
What I've learned and admired the most is how the both of you have grown together, challenged each other, but also brought out the best in one another while staying true to yourselves. I can 1000% confidently say you two are each other's perfect counterpart, and I've loved every minute of being your +1.